It was a mama in Aquaba, Eba, Ghana, SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe with the notification, no? So that anytime videos of this nature, upload it, Usamekabi, I'm also a share. Now let's go into the story. And this is for soon. Almost one gaza was a musu asem yebeka Fiifi Kwetey and no praise or not me being a praise Akufo Addo. Fiifi Kwetey General Secretary Emma NDC for Onuna Akufo Addo nyakupon e kikin bona someone die and say sorry ko kanu kre no I'll choose an Akufo Addo live. Sorry intentem o kanu kre. You see, it will take only a wizard near a witch to say, the impact Akufo Addo and make here in 8 years. Only a witch or a wizard. Because there is no single region or man that has not benefited from initiatives of Akufo Addo. No single region. There is no single family or Ghana. I bet me I can say, over the last 8 years, they've not either benefited from free BEC registration or free senior high school. No family. Me say almost 5 people went through free senior high school. And that is a proper government. That is a government that has come to work for the people. Yeah, that is it. And I mean, you should not be surprised if Fiifi Kwetey and praise Akufo Addo. Don't be surprised. Because you can deny as much as you want, but reality will eventually catch up with you. Reality will always catch up with you. And that is today's Fiifi Kwetey's stand. The day after, where Musa Fagbandi. Obiabe testify. Look, Akufo Addo, he must be studied. And say, political science, any leadership and entrepreneurship, or university programs, in first semester baku, in first Akufo Addo's ideology. The man Akufo Addo, he deserves it. He's worth it. Abo modi ama mind way, abo modi pa. Ebusian for still now, studio contributions no so, and also donations no so. For some time now, donation being by it, we're still around 12,000 Ghana cedis, 13,000 more to go. By GDC, Mbebwaye, Ama, drew a year 25,000 so that we can bring this beautiful vision to
the majority caucus.
Exactly.
Exactly. We cannot find rest.
So
he is a member of the majority caucus.
And not for the NDC party card, but all in 10 times into a MDC member.
Okay, so but I'm just saying, say, even when you take away the fact, our parliament, on your NDC MP, he is part of the NDC majority caucus. Currently, who are the ones who are pursuing his case?
Is it from my end or?
Currently, who are those pursuing his case? Roxin Defia Makbo, any Ayarega, any FSBBA Bekto Suya. If he's not part of them, why are they worrying their head? If he's not part of them, why are they worrying their head? Is he not part of them? Is he not part of Omwa? And they have 188 members of parliament. Is it not because of Ohine Frempong? Ain't the said they have 188 members of parliament. He is part of the numbers. And then because we are finding who in a particular situation, they are trying their possible best to reject him, to denounce him as a MPP. MPP's constitution, per MPP's constitution. Once you stand as an independent candidate or you support an independent candidate, automatically you lose your membership of the party. You lose your membership of the party. Then. So, more beyond Fanem Beka MPP because per onwani action say Mr. as an independent candidate, we're losing the membership. He is not part of us. And every platform obejina subia, he projects the National Democratic Congress. There are times crow kwa nagasa nisika. Odoko tontos wani untos ni jeni. Ewono constituency oka say if John Mahama nche entro eyono nisika, because every procurement process has to pass through PPA. And if it passes through PPA, they don't give you physical cash. But he was there with physical cash. I telling me, say, John Mahama, the table physical cash to come and say, Jeffa Kotowe. Never. It was his own money just to pay the government friends. Why? To clean the government. So they should be proud of him. They should say, okay, and yeah, because omuya scam government inti, the description fits their government inti. After no so let us sack him. Otherwise, people might think say omoka say yes scam inti. And I candidate and I say anybody back across scamming growth fonti ebe fit into my empire no. Ye penny or come home on the moon a corner crana. You see, show me your friend, I'll show you a character. This is a typical characteristic of the National Democratic Congress. And they should own it. They should own the whole thing. They should be proud of him and fight for him to the end. Because Okomoho and Omunya sa 188 members of parliament, you know, they should accept him. And I also sometimes we are happy say there will be a by-election. You know. A by-election, you know, a beba yes is here because he has to absent himself from parliament, I think, for 15 sitting. As Omit may declare, you know, the whole thing, I think according to Article 97 Clause 1C. So also absent from Parliament for 15 sitting before the seat can be declared vacant to a by-election. But right now, no, for me, I'm not that so bothered about seat because number no the numbers that we have, they are delivering, they are working. We don't need, Mama will say, you don't need numbers to have impact. You don't need numbers to have impact in parliament. As some the minority caucus, as some make a beer, it comes to pass. Omoka NDC for soon. By the end of the day, it comes to pass. That's the reason why they be a fair and crop for the mighty minority manage, because they are always making impact, they are always making sense. They are not just doing and passing bills. That no. They are making real impact. Now, Maminka recently, my own Felix of Usukwache, Edin Simbia Bao Patches, Naira John Dramani Mahama wasn't in cabinet. Tamna no more the issue of Damai minds, you know. What we also need to know is cabinet, any decision making body. Cabinet is not a decision making body. Cabinet is an advisory body. That's what we need to know. Cabinet, a two-man penifo. And then there has been a Supreme Court ruling. Say a futua, say a futua Council of State, Ebema President, you know, he's not bind to it. Into bet me to know for. A no discretion say a futua diamame no mefa anase menye de menfa. So that's it. So once even Council of State impo, yes, Senate, you know, the same thing applies to cabinet. If you to a cabinet, the mama penny biano or piano 4 pound fa. And the president recusing himself from the sitting of cabinet to deal with that my mind. There be no more motive in one appoint you. All more cabinet all the 19 members of cabinet and invite non-members, no, who he appointed them is the president. Therefore, they told whatever he says as more beke beyond so. And then no more recommendation, recommendation, Mampeni on Beka and say Mampeni me for that my maunia. Because the thing has been orchestrated already. Yeke Japadia budget, a Japadia book now those who are truly working with a Japanese book, NDC. They are willing me yet to Abama John Mahama and Amkasi people be diga because sir, the box sites never nimia and I was a company. I fed your betcham say no ko ye jen or betcham shaggy leggy. And the box site a man farmer their gold dear me donya me wagaza de mo cresa. The mwenya no cresa anche bia ye din Ghana nsuo nyina kra be ma no.
Nsembi chese.
Ghana
ko konsakra na ko konse be hia.
Ghana nsuo nyina ye de ba be hye Yera Ibrahim Mahama nsem say yanhwe ne ye a. And we have gullible people who say, oh, hey, he deserves it. Or a philanthropist. Now, dear, Or your philanthropy and your come despite. When my dear despite I ukrum her. And the young fagan a good day in Afakoma despite. How much does he? Yes. How much does he get from the extraction of our minerals? And how much does he give to the ordinary people? That's common sense. But you see, we don't have people who analyze critical issues in this country. We have 6 million who vote for Nkiti over where they are. That's how it is. That
your friend is saying corporate social responsibility.
Exactly. No, I don't know whether they don't really understand business. Because once you do business, yes, it's not compulsory, it's not legally binding. So you have to do corporate social responsibility. But yes, you do that when to aid you when it comes to PR. You do kind of corporate social responsibility to aid with PR. And that's exactly what he's doing. Whenever I see him do it, I say, wow, this man is getting his PR right. And that's what most yes, he understands PR a lot. And that's what he's doing.
Ethics.
Yes, and that's what he's doing. But people are not seeing it. Mr. Adia Koswelego, Nyame Aketia. Adia Koswelego. Sa sports no moye ohono. Athletics no. Yes, Nyame Aketia. Enti obi ebusa mo Adia ko eni nyina Nyame Aketia. Sie nyina yehu. Adia si ewo All African Games.
Yeah.
We had Veronica come moka satia. Their comments are make here. And then one idea sometimes Emma me de pe John Mahama sem kakra say those who complain in every sector near the omunina share ho. Adeba ko Emma me pen asem no. Every obi or complaining here pertaining to any sector of the economy. John Mahama buy or so now can one sempa. That means you nim dear kwana kwa yen wadwuma. And no money now so go many massive none obi anyone wait me aye adwuma ye. Omunyi na go many man hey Akufo Addo of athlete aba Ghana be didi a mo yetimi say mo chance ba kuma stew with teaspoon ba ko na de atoso ama ne so nkodi. These are and now ebi mpo mu nyanam. But utie people or mobile Africa All African Game. Ebi muso omu didi ya mane broso. Emo omu tubi guye. Baby omu koda journalists, they were happy.
Yeah, boy. Nigeria for being a friend saying South African,
yes.
Zambian.
Yeah. But we are not seeing the same thing now. They are complaining.
Manuel.
Yeah.
Last 2 years, it was a deliberate ploy say or more best suppress the good things.
Okay.
No more niama ensino or more kasa be concocte no more broadcasting. And it took only the grace of God say outside the minimum they captured. And yes, I can
yes, All African Games. John Mahama catch say and cancel All African Games. Okay. Ye All African Games at Ghana. That's the time Ghana nya medals pan free your friends athletics competition. After the whole thing, no, Fiifi Kwetey e posti here e kaso Ghana fire there. Me was sure say me wa no mo friend catch say hey delete na yen support e wa no delete here. Fiifi Kwetey he deleted the post. And I'm saying, yeah, this is it. Yeah, me DC. And I'm saying, yeah, that is it. But today, Nyankopon even international journalists complaining saying say me bi wo ho monka omo free Ghana no makwaka because omo sure say police ebe this is the intimidation.
Wait,
yes.
Isn't that guy a Ghanaian?
No, a Nigerian. Oh, yeah, Nigerian journalist.
See, the scandal is bigger than I ever expected.
Yes.
I thought the guy is a Ghanaian.
No.
Christopher, I'm a friend of Christopher Madwe West. He didn't know Christopher Madwe West. We are Ghana for the.
Are you Ghana ni?
So
say I'd rather don't speak about this championship. Let me wait until I am out of Ghana. By the way, this is the first African championship that I am covering I am covering, where journalists have been gleefully told to purchase their own data for internet. Even as bad as Douala was, there was internet for journalists to work with.
Okay. So even international journalists who say Ghana, we are being suppressed, we are being intimidated, there is no more freedom of speech in this country. So Ghana's reputation to the outside world, John Mahama say no. You can't take it away from it. Therefore, some of us will be very proud. Say it will intimidate even foreign investors because they can't come to your country. And even when the economic indicators are not looking good and they are talking about it, you send police and security service to go after them and arrest them. Me da se mame fa no se ane bi munya kwambre.
Se me so me da se mpacho pese osi ana wa mesi. Jei.
I mean see you.